If you need to remove a device from your PNC bank account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account security and manage your devices effectively. Step 1. Log into your PNC account. Visit the PNC Bank website or open a mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Find Device Management. Before changing your settings, use the /com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Review the list of devices. Click on the device you wish to remove. There should be an option to remove or disconnect the device. Step 5. Confirm the removal. After selecting the device, you will likely be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the removal process. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove devices associated with your PNC bank account, ensuring your financial information remains secure.